Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install free version of VSO ConvertXtoDVD software for your PC. Okay, in this video I will show you how to download and install it. Okay, first of all we will go to our browser and search here VSO ConvertXtoDVD. Okay, and after that we will open this first website name VSO software. Convert to DVD, convert and burn video to watch on any DVD player. Okay, 7 days full trial. Okay, the latest version 7.00.69 and older history we will check here the change log of the software. You can see here the complete change log of that software. Okay, after that we will purchase full variant for lifetime from here in $50 and free for 7 trial free for our PC here. Okay, feedback and reviews of the users, excellent quality editing options, one click conversion, menu creation. Okay, support all video formats. These are the formats of videos, easy to use, edit and perfect quality menu creation, subtitle chapters, fast conversion. Okay, these are the feature and capabilities of the software. Okay, how it work: insert video, click on convert, insert DVD to burn on disk. Okay, screenshot version, latest version is system requirement. You can see here the system requirement for software. Okay, after that we will try to download for our PC free trial here and select here. You can see here download has been started and that is 36 MB setup. Okay, after that we will try to install it into our PC. Just wait for download, and after the download we will install it into our PC and try to run free trial for 7 days. You can see here the install download file has been downloaded and show it. After that run it as administrator. Okay, next I accept the agreement, next and okay, we will select here the format of video, next and install. Okay, open this, installed has been, it has been completed, and X to DVD. Okay, now here you can see, just drag the file you want to burn and suppose I want to burn this file. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, convert. So in this way you guys also can download and install VSO ConvertXtoDVD software for your PC and burn your videos into DVD in this method. Okay, so it has been converted and you can use it for about 7 days free trial. Okay, it is a free trial for your PC. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this. Thank you so much.